Hey Beast, how you doing? I messed with the audio config a little bit, so now it should duck the sound when I talk, so the music won't be as overpowering, and it also won't be as quiet when I'm streaming. As soon as Newt gets here, somebody let me know. I want to pick his brain about something. Bevel? Never bevel. What needs to be done now? I just need to set things up, actually. It's not a whole lot. That needs to be closer to the bar. I'd say that needs to be about right there. Oh, it comes out with it. In that case, what I need to do is make this. I should put that right there. So I need to copy this component. Paste that there, and that should do it. So the audio should actually be ducking. I might not have it quite right though. Let's change this ratio from 5 to 7, and let's lower this to 20. How's that sound? I'm getting quiet? What? Are you sure? I tested this earlier. I could have sworn. Is it working now? I mean, the music should be loud, that's the idea, but it should also, you know, get quieter when I talk. Copy this. Is it working better now? And then copy that. Okay. I've just changed these back to what they were before. And let's do a 10:1 scale. Is better? I don't want the tolerance too high, because then it'll just turn down when I like hit a key on my keyboard loudly. When I'm done with the Aeroderivative, I'll work on the next car. Which unfortunately means modeling Xano's winning submission. Yep, Adamaster. For one. Really excited. Unfortunately, yeah, you're right. You're right. No, I should count my blessings. Need a boost open animation. So two things happen when the boost opens. Firstly, this raises up and tilts slightly. Yeah, pivots like that. And then the scoop comes down, flips straight. Wings open, I am just going to use the swamp track. I'm gonna have to use some imagination if I'm gonna do Adamaster, which is gonna be tricky because I'm not a very imaginative person. What do we have next? Shredster, that's what it was. I need to find the wings for Shreds. There we go. Grab that. Copy and paste that right in. How did I do this last time? Now the music's too loud? Even when I talk, even when I'm talking right now, the music's still too loud. Is that what you're saying to me? No, the music is fine. Now it works? Oh, cool. But yeah, the idea is for it to get louder when I'm not talking. So if it is doing that, then that's working. I do believe that that is now in working order. Yes, we are going to do a December tournament, but there's also going to be a a distance advent calendar tournament that will likely be somewhere around Christmas. So that'll be a 2-tournament month, so I might be a little bit behind on Add a Master that month, or any other projects I decide to take on. Pardon me. Honk. Let's try importing it. I know I messed something else up, but let's just give it a shot. See what happens. That'd be nuts if I imported it and it was just like everything was good. Oh, Newt's here. So Newt, I had something I wanted to talk to you about. I've been, well, I'll just show you. I've been tossing around ideas for an Acceleracers themed D&D campaign. Something homebrew. What music is this? It should say right in the corner of the screen, like right around here. Title of the track, title of the album. Yeah, I'm thinking of adapting the rules from Gaslands. And other than the vehicular combat, it's just like normal 5th edition Dungeons and Dragons. And all that's left is just to write out the story. Because it'd be like, yeah. It would be a classic RPG experience, but with cars. So you'd, go around a city and talk to mechanics. Those would be the quests. And it'd start there and kind of go into different locations. Yeah. And I'm thinking that would be a good use of the Patreon, because right now I'm not producing a whole lot of my own models. And I'd feel bad charging for the Acceleron stuff that we're doing right now, because that's more like, it's more of a community project. I mean, the designs and the modeling themselves, so it's not like something that I can really claim as my work. And so I think that the Dungeons and Dragons role-playing campaign would act as a way to, I don't know, for me to sell something nobody else is selling at the moment, because I don't see anybody with Acceleracers D&D stuff. I mean, some people have talked about it, but nobody's actually ever done it. And so here's the other thing that I was thinking. You can import custom models and textures. Yeah, no, I'll have to call it, I'll call it something completely different. I'll go the route of like, it could just be like a regular D&D campaign, but with like a lot of Acceleracers themes. I mean, that would work. But then I was thinking of hosting it online with Tabletop Simulator. It appears I've made a mistake. Skinned mesh renderer, yep. Animations are all set. Wheels are all set. Thrusters, jets. But yeah, I could model 3D physical environments, model and texture them in Blender, and then it'd be like having a full set on Tabletop Simulator. Of course, I'd need to play around with it first. I've never used it, but I've heard it's a little bit janky. Let's try that again. And then on the Patreon, you'd pay for once it's done, you'd pay for all the materials that I use to run that's fun. Gave me an error message that time. You'd pay for all the materials that I use to run the campaign. I don't think these can be animated. That might be it. Maybe. Or there's a typo. Or this isn't supposed to be in here. Interesting. Or one of these is misnamed. Boost open, jets open, and wings open. Nope. None of those are misnamed. This just has to be called body. Back left. Oh. That's what it is. I didn't rename these. Tire. And then I would want that to be renamed metallic. Right there. Let's go ahead and just make this first element 0. Let's make that car paint. Oops. And that should do it. Then I'd have to fit them in somewhere. I'd have to fit them in probably instead of these streams. So it'd be in a year or two. I'd do D&D and then Accelerators tournaments. Those would be my streams. It'd be 4-hour streams. Interesting, interesting. Let's make sure it's this file that's messing up. I thought I turned off Steam Cloud Sync, but it's still on. That's what's making distance so difficult to start. Okay, let's make sure that it's this car file that I've got that's causing the error. No error. Yep, that was it. So what is causing the issue? Aero chassis, root bones, set, extents, everything has models, materials, everything's set correctly here. Always, oh, you need a blend for starters. Hash blend. Aero thrusters, car paint. Why is it purple? Oh yeah, because of the blue. That makes sense. Go back to skinned mesh render. No root bone? Well, you'd be right. But I can't set the... Oh, I suppose I could. Renamed it, I forgot. Position there is fine. Exhaust is fine. What else needs to be set up particularly? I'm gonna just delete these. So they're not animating. I'll try that. I might not be able to animate the thrusters. And then I'll just revert to an earlier version if that ends up not being what caused it. I think that was it. No, it was not. Something else is happening. Create empty. Wait. Never given me a problem before, but let's do it. I bet I'm forgetting something important. Maybe I've got skin mesh render on more than one object, because that would do it. So that's skinned. Let's just mesh. 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 Interesting. So that was skinned, so that's the one that got collision on it. Tire. Yeah, it's set up right. Whoa. What the heck? Try that. I might just have to rebuild this thing. Because I know sometimes that's just how it is. Like no amount of tweaking will fix it. I just have to like rebuild it from scratch. Let's see if it likes me. My money is on not. Aha! Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright, well, I'm gonna rebuild this in a basic sense. Watch, I bet this fixes it. And there's going to be some bugs. I just want to see if I can get it to import. And it ought to now. Oh, god damn it, I'm an idiot. I'm such a moron. I deserve that. Which means Unity crash. I know why it's not working. This is why. Oops. This is what I get. Am I going to release Aeroderivative today? Maybe. If I get it done. Okay, scoop, spoiler, suspension, thrusters, back wheels, swamp track, okay. Got it. Should be good there. Nope, it's not. It's because there's a duplicate in the namespace. I was just like, wow, this is like a duplicate namespace error. But it can't be that. No, it absolutely could. And it was. I guarantee it. Watch. You know what? I'm gonna go new namespace. Acceleron. Beat that. Do have some bugs. It do got a few bugs. Alright, watch. Guarantee it. Guarantee it's gonna load fine. Wha-bam! What'd I tell you? Loads just fine. So, does recolor work? It's not. Secondary color, nope. Glow, Sparkle, forget about it. Okay, time to fix that. But first I'm going to test the animations. Make sure there's more than just colors. Yeah, it do have some bugs. That's alright. There we go. Okay, so Boost animations aren't triggering. How about thruster animations? Boost and thruster animations are not triggering. Neither is flight animations. So all three of those things need to be fixed. Whoops! I forgot I bound it to that key. I'm gonna change that. I'll change my hotkeys. Let's do F5. God is broken. Yes, God is very broken. So, first thing to do, first color, primary, 0, primary, color, false, texture. That does not work, apparently. Boost works fine. Why isn't that working? About there. Yep. Copy that, copy component. Paste component values. Except for negative. Negatory. That seems about right. Copy those. That was a very, very swift mood change. Nothing wrong with the animation. It doesn't work. I'll have to set this all up again, aren't I? I had it! I bet I had it. Now... Oh, wait, I still have to move it. Oh, wait. That's why. I was moving the wrong one this time. Can't sync with Steam Play. I turned it off, and it still wants to synchronize. Yeah, it should be T-Rex Rush. You should be able to see it right there. Yes, do your thing. There we go. Perfect. Recolor works. I haven't set up the gloss yet. Secondary, do I have that? I should set this up to here. These ones. Total secondary vibes. And then glow on the decals. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Alright, and then I'm going to test this for bugs. I need to flip those. So I need to flip those. Align them with the front. And then reverse. And that needs to be a 2 or 3 instead of a 1. And then the back does have animation, but it just doesn't animate very noticeably. Alright, that's significantly less broken. I was just like, what? Why is this happening? And then I realized, like, I was importing the wrong car. Okay, so, first, we need to make the decals glow. Emission. I need to take this. Time for some paint. Ooh. Paint. And then let's go to asset bundles. Color. That's a good way. Could have avoided this by just stenciling out the decals in transparency, but no. Why am I keeping black? It's an emit map. How is my Aya? You're not talking to me, are you? A bit bigger. A bit bigger tolerance. This do be kind of sounding like cyberpunk music. I mean, come on, tell me I'm wrong. To do things the hard way, don't I? So much post-processing. There we go. There we go. Damn it. All the way up. This song from the Distance soundtrack do kind of slap. It do kind of slap though. Do be kind of slapping. Good. should save this. I should save this. Arrow emit. Alright. And then here. I wish this track were longer. It has a drop, but only just kind of barely. But if it did, oh, that'd be so dope. Like it winds up to drop, but it doesn't really. If it did though, oh my god. Could you imagine? It's got a lot of potential. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this. It'd probably be faster to just recreate the entire texture from scratch. But instead I'm doing this. Head empty, no thoughts. Right? I've gone too far. Sunk cost fallacy time. Listen, I'd like to just recreate it from scratch, but I've come too far to go back now. And in the end, it doesn't even matter. Oh, this is my favorite song. Tepid Pants. I don't know what it is. This song just does it for me. You guys. Whatever it is, this song does it for me. Send me a message. No. And I'm almost done anyway. At this point, it would just take more time to recreate it than to finish what I've got going on here. And this takes me back. Remember when I first learned how to use paint.net, I made these stupid, like, visual puns. I put E.T. the extraterrestrial inside of a PT Cruiser, and I captioned it E.T. Cruiser. And I thought I was fucking hilarious. And I took a picture of Marilyn Manson and I photoshopped on a little starry wizard hat and a white beard, and I captioned that Merlin Manson. I thought that was hilarious as well. I still have some of them up in my Steam profile in my artwork tab. They are just as bad as I remember them being. Because occasionally I'll look through my artwork and I'll be like, oh, what'd I post here? And then I'll see those and I'm just like, oh, right. Of course. That should do it. Yeah, I think that actually should. now I'm finally back to doing actual edits. Let's go ahead and grab the emission map here. Aero emit. And then I'm going to tie that. Color 0, glow, emit color 1, true. And I'm going to copy and paste that. This time I'm going to be glow, sparkle, reflect, color. False. I'm actually going to make this white. Regular white. Secondary. Copy that. The exhaust. Car paint. Yeah. Pivots. Scoop. Yep. That too. Spoiler. That as well. And also this. Glossy red. Alright. Filament 3? Yeah. Should do it. I think that's it. What song are you guys talking about? The YouTube stream is a little bit delayed. And I doubt you're talking about like the default Beat That song. It's not the main theme, is it? It can't be the main theme. Title theme, huh? Alright. Maybe I'm just like so used to it that I can't appreciate the subtleties of the layering or whatever. My mind. I don't want this anymore. That should update automatically. Then... Great. And I need to switch the rest of these over to red, or to white. Rivets, scoop, needs to be white. Spoiler, that needs to be white as well. And then the wheels, actually. So that's element 3. this distance was open and the music was playing. Alright, we should be good here. I just gotta... Oh, right, I forgot. Things open. Got to set this to 2. Come on. Make sure there's nothing else going on here. Pretty good. Looking pretty good. Well, I gotta set that to the colorable as well. Make sure all the animations are set up right. Oh, right, I still need to move these around. Back thruster. I'm actually... Let me figure out directions. It's back thruster. So it's left, left, front. Left and front. I need to give this one to that one up there. Add a minus, take away minuses. I need to switch these. So here, switch that one. This one. This one should switch with this one. There's two different distance themes going on at the same time. And they're the same one. Why'd I start early? Good question. That is a very good question. D&D. I'm starting D&D a little bit earlier, so. Wiki. Jets and trails. Okay, so this one is back right. So back is 1 here. Back is 1 and right is 1, 1. This is back 1 and then left. Oh, so that's negative 1, 1. This back right. Right is negative 1, 1. That's front, right. Front is negative 1. Right is also negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, 1. Finally, front, which is negative 1. Left, which is 1, 1. Negative 1, 1, 1. And then make sure the exhaust is recolorable. Yep, should be. Build that. That should be it. Why are you in subscriber only mode? I must have enabled it at some point. I don't know. To encourage more people to subscribe, perhaps. I'm trying to get to 10,000, and it is slow going. I'm at only a tenth of the way from 7 to 8,000. Just crawling there. Okay. And that will do it. That should be it. Garage, let's go white, except for the fact that we want to go orange. Secondary is red. Glow is kind of a grayish. And sparkle is right where we need it to be. Original colors. Good. Good. Left, right. Left. 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 Front. Back. That's the problem. They're all set to right. None of them are set to left. Left, 1 and 1. I wonder why. Okay, that's working. You can see the scoop lifts. The front goes down a bit. Not a ton, so it's not super noticeable. Animation set up. think the bottom should probably be rough, like a rougher material. Undercarriage. Element 2. Let's go with that. I think I'm actually going to take a moment to make the exhaust white paint only. Okay, let's test these thrusters. Undercarriage is still glossy. Alright, thrusters are set up, right? That's set up properly. Alright, I gotta make that a non-reflective material somehow. Ah. That's what that is. That is actually material 1. Not material 2 that I want to repaint. just turn the glow off there. I need to give the black parts full normals. Black. Smart UV project bounds. Oops. Flex. Smart UV project, scale to bounds. Layout. X. Aeroderivative. Yep. With this, it should be ready. No sparkly? Still this depthless black. Let's see what it looks like over here. How about a brighter? Still looks like it's painted in Vanta black. Well, that's not what I want. But I don't want it to be super reflective either. This does. Looks good, but it could look better. I gotta wait for just a minute after closing distance. Ah, observatory. That's a good one. Oh, this is one of my favorites. Car paint? That's not the car paint material I remember. What other materials are there? Wheel, car paint bump. Let's make this a little bit edgier. Black and red. See, it looks exactly the same. You can't even tell where the line is. It's this disappear black. How do I fix that? Yeah, no, even in light, it doesn't appear. I'm just gonna try Interceptor. See what that material does. Oh wait, car paint bump. Still this depthless black. And this isn't car paint. That's way too glossy to be car paint. These tags aren't working right. Or they're the wrong materials. Matte Zero car paint. I've got the material in there. It ought to be car paint. It's not. It's too reflective. I got the material. I got the symbols to glow in the dark. Like that part I've done. Just don't know why the material tags aren't working. Color tag have to go first? Let's try making these transparent glow. Try making this. Let's just see if this is working. I don't think it is. So it's easy to know whether or not that's... So I renamed both the car body and the exhaust so that they should both glow and be transparent. And so if they don't, I know something's up. Now I'm gonna need to make a new material for whatever reason. Unity's buggy and weird like that. Okay, so that does work. Does work. Very well. And then car paint. So the trim also needs to be car paint. Song finishes so nicely. Wheel, car paint bump. Car window? Matte 0 car paint. That should do it. But it's being weird. Why is it being weird? Why are you being so ornery right now? Maybe it's because I've got the recoloration on. I think that's it. I think that's probably it. I think there's probably something in the game code that prevents the car's sparkle material from being applied if you've got a like recoloring something else. That's reflective. See that's what I'm looking for. That kind of sparkly sheen on it. Where it's sort of reflective, but not really. Wow. Alright, yeah. This definitely needs one, and doesn't have one. Yeah. Like, and you know, that's something I've noticed on here. This is also using the car paint material, where it's black. And what is this chicane? That's the low poly chicane from Newt's low poly car pack. I think I might just use those for if we end up doing accelerators. Secondary is tied to anything. Well, I think that's really it. Let's take it through this level. Yep. Whoa. So weird. Have you seen the Beat That texture mods? I've seen some of them. They make the cars look more like Accelerators vehicles. I don't think I can use car paint on that. I think I'm gonna have to find something else. What can I use? The Interceptor. Let's try Interceptor. Alternatively, if this doesn't work, here's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm going to do if this doesn't work. I mean, obviously I haven't seen all the texture mods people have done. Okay. I'm excited. What's it look like? Ah, super weird. And super reflective. Like super, super reflective. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with my other solution. Completely chrome. Yep. Looks like this is gonna have to be the way I go. Actually, let's see if I can't turn this down somewhat. Like maybe this is 0.5. It won't work. Why is it so mean to me? And if it's any color other than black and it's car paint, it's just like super fire car paint. I also want this to be element 3 to be car paint. Let's see if the color changes anything. Copy that. I know what I need. The trouble is, it would seem that what I've got here just turns it off. That makes it reflective automatically. And this makes it completely non-reflective. So if it's white, completely black. It's still reflective. Maybe I'll just take car paint off. This around. Let's see what this does. Okay. Now it's black, right? It's light. Let's try 0.2. That does what I wanted to. I just need to mess with the ratios. Okay, now I just need to do the same thing. This is what I want. So, exhaust, instead of that, I want this. Change that. That, I want this. I think I got it. I finally got it. Evidently not. It's a shame about that. Racing on distance is fun. Okay, so we want this to be a orange. Sparkle to be just kind of reduced. The secondary we want red. Glow just kind of a reduced, like muted purplish. The only part it's missing is right here. That's it. So trim. That's element 4. I think I got it, you guys. Ah, perfect. Chef's kiss. It works so well. It works on so many levels. Oh wow, this one. Ooh, yowza. Youch! I wonder if you can go back. Are you loud? You are! It contains the map from last track. That's not how this was ... Ah! I messed up. You can go backwards the entire track. Whoop! There we go! Just gonna re-export. And it should be pretty much perfect. Save these top things. What? No. No. Of course. Perfect! Ah, flawless. Pop that onto if you're an Acceleron on the server, it is on there, it's finished, it's pinned. So, don't get it! And with the time remaining to me, I'm actually going to go ahead and play Tabletop Simulator. I want to mess with this somewhat. I got like 12 minutes left. 9 minutes, actually. Anyway, this is what I have in mind for like a D&D party. If this doesn't work, then I'm not, too torn up about it. But just a literal virtual tabletop, like a simulated tabletop. I'll show you. So here's a cool thing you can do. I think I stuff, assets, create single player, track, super challenge, classic. Workshop 5e. Great. This is good. So all I'll have to do is create it in like a session, something like this. Yes, custom table. And all I've got to do is link in stuff. So for modding, all I got to do is hit object. A link. It's a link. That's what it is. Menu. Options, book music, objects, backgrounds, saved objects. This old channel that had videos on Accelerator's card game on Tabletop Simulator. I did a stream on that once. It's on my channel somewhere. Yeah. But then... Whoop! Well, this works. Just write text. Yeah, it works. I just have to do a little bit of setting up. Notebook. How do I import? Components, tools. Dice. Metal. 20. Yeah, it's got like rollable dice and everything. There's a music player. Yeah, no, this would be perfect. A little bit janky, but as long as I don't set it up to be too dependent on custom objects. Wait, let's import. Import objects. Import. File import. So it needs to be an OBJ. Shading problem, edge split, texture, UV map. Sure. Sure. Exporting. OBJ. Bring it into the game. Okay. Notepad, Control A. Create secret gist. Model, import. New browser tab. Go to an image hosting site such as postimage.com. Full resolution image to show in the browser. So it can only have one material. That's fine. New custom object. Object, components, custom. Objects. Components, custom. Custom. Ooh, custom. Model. Great. And so now all I need to do is I'm going to open Blender again. And then I'm going to get an object, a simple object from Blender, and I'm going to import it into this game after hosting it. I'm just going to use Google Drive to host .obj. Test.obj. This was it. Get link. Copy link. Resume game. Where's the custom object I just made? Modding. So objects, components, custom, model. Whoops. Components, custom, model. Failed to load model. Download. So I need the download link. Bump and then there's a collider. Yeah, so you can like fully customize what sort of objects you want on the map. So we could have like an Acceleron board, like with a full pop-out wheel of power. It'd be cool. It'd be so cool. Permissions. I need to share. Anyone. Edit. Copy link. Okay. Let's do this. No, that's not it. Let's do maybe what do I have? push through this. Modifiers, easy amount of vertices, export, OBJ, to desktop, selection only, export, upload. Where am I supposed to put this? There's a zombicide and it's complete and functional. Oh yeah, that's fun. SCP game, yeah. It would be cool to make an Acceleracers tabletop game on Tabletop Simulator. That'd be really fun. So desktop, solid. Just gonna push that up there, and then I need the share link, copy link. Come on. Browse local files, desktop. There we go. It works fine with local files. I just need to figure out file hosting, right? See? Then you could just like import local file there, and then all that's left is the textures and the shading. You know, that's just bugs. But you can like import an entire board as an object with like little slots and stuff, and then like a mesh collider. There's a lot of potential, in my opinion. So anyway, that about does it for the stream today. So if you tuned in, thank you for doing that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all next